If you're someone who strives to spend your time meaningfully and minimize time spent on things which don't really add much value to your life, I'm sure you can relate to that feeling on days when you haven't been your very best in terms of focus and productivity. You just feel all that guilt pouring within you when you go to bed at night trying to sleep to end the day which you just wasted, right? If you're someone who tries to manage time effectively and not waste time, you might be someone who makes to-do lists and plans your day ahead of time. But why does all that effort go in vain sometimes? This is because simply relying on to-do lists isn't an option, because it is kind of an aimless approach to planning your days. What you should be incorporating is a concept called time blocking. It is common sense, but a lot of us don't use it. I can say this in my experience because I was someone who used to only rely on to-do lists when it comes to planning my days, and I knew it wasn't efficient and that it was vague. And it was not until recently that I stumbled upon this concept of time blocking, and it is really helpful. So I thought I would share it with you guys. So time blocking, as the name suggests, is all about blocking out your time to finish your tasks for a particular day. In contrast to a to-do list which just tells you what you need to get done, time blocking will help you get a clearer picture on what you need to do as well as when you need to do it. You see, if you simply resort to making to-do lists, you'll ponder over the order in which you need to get those tasks done, and that leaves room for procrastination because you'll be procrastinating the tasks for some other time within the day. But in a time blocking mechanism, you've already pre-decided at what time you need to get a particular task done. Hence, that leaves no room for procrastination whatsoever. Let me explain this further. So using time blocking, you could block out time for different activities which you had planned for a particular day, a day before, or maybe even a week before. If you wake up at 6 a.m., you could block out an hour immediately after you wake up, say from 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. for your morning routine. And then you could block out the subsequent 2 hours for some work which you need to get done on that particular day, from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. instead of just relying on your to-do list, which is just a list of the things which you need to get done. This way you are much more likely to crush those daily goals and to stay much more efficient. I hope by now you understood the essence of time blocking. You can start planning your days in blocks or chunks while keeping this concept in mind. I'm sure by now this thought might have popped into your head. You might have thought that this system of time blocking is a little bit rigid, but let me tell you, it is not. Time blocking organizes your days in a fashion which is much better than to-do lists, which might seem rigid to you, but that's the best bet. And remember, this is flexible. You could always change out the way you block out time for different things. If you still think this is rigid to some extent, you could take help from a tip from countless experts in this faculty. It is better to set buffer timings for each of your tasks and throughout your day. Because as you might have already experienced before, things don't always go as you plan them to go. So make sure you block out extra time for each and every activity. That will help you in dealing with the frustration if things don't go according to the plan. And that is all there is to time blocking. In conclusion, I think the best way to plan out days is to use a combination of both a to-do list as well as a time blocking mechanism. A to-do list will help you identify things which you need to get done on a particular day, and a time blocking mechanism will give you the exact timings for those tasks. It will help you organize your days, and it will make sure that you crush your day completely. Blocking your time out is something to which there is no guide set in stone. Just keep this very helpful concept in mind and plan your days accordingly. Time blocking is a skill which you and I can develop only with practice. The reason I wanted to talk about this is because a lot of top performers and authors who've researched productivity, focus, and all those things have recommended this tactic. And because I got to know about this tactic recently, I thought I just as well might want to bring it in your light. I thought this would be helpful. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like this video. And if you want to see more of such productivity tips, quick productivity tips condensed in videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press that bell icon just so you get updated every single time I upload a new video here on this channel. So that's it for today guys. I'll see you next week. Until then, take care and start blocking your time.